Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the Microsoft Store error code 0x800400154 that you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon and type in WS Reset. Go ahead and select that, should be the best match that pops up, and give it a moment here. And then hopefully it should launch the Microsoft Store successfully, and you should be good to go. One further thing we can try here as well, if you open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it, and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video, guys. I want you to copy it and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. It's a DISM command. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It should take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. And then once that is done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Hopefully that was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.